Welcome back everyone. The AirTags have officially came out, so let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. Now they are pretty much, Apple's, I don't know what the best way to describe it. It's a tracking thing for their devices. So if you put this in like a gym bag, a book bag, or whatever the case is, you'll be able to track it, which I think is really cool. But I think a lot of people have kind of a wrong idea. Some people may think that you can like put it on your phone or your iPad or your MacBook and be able to track it. That is not what this thing's for. Your MacBook, iPad, iPhones already have the Find My app, so you can already find these things. You don't need an AirTag for that. That's a very important thing. This is for devices that you can't necessarily track without like having like a tile or something like that. And I just realized I could have done this, whatever. I always do it the wrong way. Unboxing it out of here, as you can see, pretty much you just have papers and all that good stuff right in here. Standard paper documents, we all know that. Nobody cares about that. Doesn't look like any Apple stickers this time around, which kind of sucks. Unboxing this bad boy, and you can see that we actually do have the AirTag right there. This is very exciting. Another small little documentation paper right there. But now we can go ahead and take out our little AirTag, and there we have it in our hands right now. Now this actually does feel a lot like a magnet that you would put on like a whiteboard or something like that. That's kind of the vibe that I'm getting from this thing. I feel like Apple could save so much packaging paper if they just, and you can hear that it's something just, the sound. I just heard the sound on my specific AirTag, and that's really the AirTag right there. There's really not a lot else to it. Obviously I'm going to connect it to my, iPhone and do all that stuff. I'd say that it's going to get a year of battery life essentially. So that is a very cool thing. You can easily replace this battery as well, but that's essentially it. That's everything within the box. No charging cable, nothing like that. There's a raw battery inside of this thing, which is very easy to replace, which I'll make it as, show you in a separate video. But that's essentially the process. If you guys have any other questions or you want to see another unboxing of this thing or whatever, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.